Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file Form 1041. First, understand that Form 1041 is specifically for the income tax return of an estate or a trust. This form helps report all income, deductions, gains, and losses that the entity experienced. You'll need to file this form if the estate or trust has gross income exceeding $600, or if it has a non-resident alien beneficiary. It's crucial to determine if your entity meets these filing requirements before proceeding. Before you begin filling out Form 1041, it's essential to gather all the necessary information. Start by collecting all income statements, such as Form 1099 for any interest or dividends received by the estate or trust. Next, compile documentation for all eligible deductions, which might include administrative expenses, attorney fees, or trustee fees. Finally, confirm you have the correct employer identification number, or EIN, for the estate or trust, as this is vital for accurate filing. Now, let's walk through completing the form itself. Begin by reporting all income from various sources, such as interest, dividends, and capital gains, on the designated lines. Carefully calculate and enter all allowable deductions, ensuring they are properly documented. After accounting for income and deductions, you will determine the taxable income for the estate or trust. Finally, compute the tax liability using the appropriate tax rates and schedules, making sure all calculations are precise. Once you've completed all sections, it's time for a thorough review. Carefully check the entire Form 1041 for any errors, omissions, or miscalculations. Double-check that all required schedules and attachments, like Schedule K1 for beneficiaries, are properly included and completed. After a final review, the fiduciary must sign and date the return. You can then mail the form to the IRS or file it electronically if eligible. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.